Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I want to show you this 2012 Harley-Davidson Switchback. This is a really cool bike. It was almost like a combination of a few different bikes. Got excellent tires on it, black powder coated 5-spoke rims, single front disc brake. It's got a nacelle like the big cruisers, kind of like the Road King. Big front end. It's got a detachable windshield on it. This bike comes with floorboards. It's got the 103 motor with a 6-speed. Black powder coated with the brushed aluminum trim and just a little bit of chrome. 2-up seat. Passenger pegs here. Got these really slick bullet style shocks on the back, all chrome. The old school look to them. Lockable hard bags. Nice tire here on the back. Leather stamping here on the dash. The bike's got 5,770 miles. It's been really well taken care of. The cool thing about the Switchback is that when you pop the bags off, they slip right off. I'm not going to take them off because I'm holding the camera, but they just slip right off of here and here and out of here. And the turn of this knob right here, these bags will come right off and completely change the look of the bike. You take those bags off, take the windshield off, and you have a whole different motorcycle. If you'd like to know more about it, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. I'm going to pop this one off and let you give it a listen. It's got the factory exhaust on it. It's a 2-into-1 exhaust. It runs kind of quiet with that factory exhaust on it, but that would be easy to change if you wanted to change out the muffler and put a slip-on there. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'll be easy to get this beautiful 2012 Harley-Davidson Switchback to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.